Hi, today I'll show you how to make a fire pit. And right now, the first step is you want to get a small shovel or a very large shovel. Dig a hole. Since my dad works at a tire shop, I used one of the tires that he had spared and I used the inside to make the hole. But you can just have something that's about a circle, or you can just eyeball it. Right now I'm making a circle. I digged it about 1 to 2 inches deep, depending how deep you want it to be. And I'm just making sure it's all flat. I'm curving the edges. Right now I'm using my feet to make sure it's flat. Oh, look what I found. Little worm. Alright, he's back into his house. Alright, now I'm going to continue to make sure that there's a curve. You want to stomp on it to make sure that there's no bumps and no roots for more grass to grow into the middle, because you don't want that to happen. And I'm going to be continuing this process for the next. Oh, look it! See, I found one of these roots inside the middle. What I do with it is I dig another hole somewhere else where there isn't that many roots. So there, I found a spot, and I just put it right there. Make sure it's flat around there. Easy when you find one of those. Right now I'm just scraping the edges. I'm putting more dirt on the sides to make sure it has a nice and even curve. And there we go. Okay. This is gonna be a hard project. If you do it by yourself, you might want to have some help, but make sure you have parental supervision while doing this activity. There, it should look like this, nice, even, and flat. There should be no roots in the middle. These are bricks I got at Home Depot. And this is what it looks like when you put the first layer down. Alright, and now I'm putting the second layer down. You want to make sure it's across from each other, so it has that kind of way that we're doing it. There's my dogs running around. Me and my brother are putting down these layers, and my mom had these spare rocks, so we just used those to go around the fire pit. These rocks that we got were $8 at Home Depot, red lava rocks. And now we're spreading them around even, making sure that they're nice and smooth around. You want to get across from each corner. You don't want to see any dirt at all. We bought 2 bags, so right now my dad's just spreading around and making sure that it's all perfect and even. Here's our second bag. We got 2 bags, but you can get 3 or as many as you want. Here's my dog Milo, smelling the new fire pit. And that's it. That's pretty much it for this fire pit. There we found some old sticks and stuff. And this is it on. Instead of using a shredder, we throw our paper in there, but adult supervision needs to be required for this activity. Stay safe.